So you finally got it. That email from GitHub regarding Copilot chat that says you are now in. So now what? Let's take a look. The email will look like this. So the first thing that you'll want to do is, if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed, download it from this page here and install it. If you already have it installed, just make sure that there are no pending updates by going to Code on the menu and checking for updates. This one currently has no pending updates. Once that's done, click on the extensions icon, search for and install Copilot Nightly from the marketplace. Then what we'll do is sign into GitHub from vscode. An important note is that the account that you use to sign in must be the same account that you used to request access. Click Allow. I'll click Continue. Permit it to open the VS Code app and allow the extension to open the URI. And now you know you've correctly installed Copilot Nightly when you see the chat icon here on the left and a field to add a command or question to. If you have issues, make sure that you have these two requirements. 1, an active Copilot subscription, and 2, access to chat preview. In order to check, just sign into GitHub and then use these two links. The first to check if you have a subscription, the second to see if you have access to chat preview. Once you're signed into GitHub, the first link should bring you to your profile settings, which is this page right here. Manually, to get to your settings, you could just go to your profiles and go down to settings. If you do have a subscription, you'll see at the very top of the page, you'll have an option for suggestions matching public code that you can configure. If you don't have a subscription, your page will look like this, where you'll have an option to start a free trial. Regarding Copilot Chat, to check if you have access, once again, make sure you're signed into GitHub and you could use this link here. And if you have access, it'll bring you to a page that says you're in. And if you don't have access, you'll be prompted to join the GitHub Copilot Chat waitlist. But once you have those two scenarios situated, you know you have an active Copilot subscription and access to Copilot Chat preview, you should be good to go. And that's it. If you got value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button and check out this video here that shows how to use Copilot Chat. And also don't forget our Copilot series.